Don't you ever reach, young blood. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Kyrie 4 Uncle Drew. Now, this shoe is based off of Kyrie's nickname and his popular character with the Pepsi campaign, Uncle Drew, which has since transcended and gotten its own movie. This is also not the first time we've seen the Kyrie Uncle Drew colorway. The Kyrie 1 and the Kyrie 3 have both gotten their own Uncle Drew colorway, and that's kind of dope. This colorway is also coming out to coincide with the release of the Uncle Drew movie that I previously mentioned about. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Kyrie 4 box with the graphic on the top of the basketball and the Kyrie 4 numbering and word logo on the front and back. And the colorway is white and deep royal. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly white upper with various prints and designs on the upper. Taking a look at the toe, you have a leather toe box with a knit toe cap, and it's got this kind of like V-shaped design on the toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the white laces along with this knitted mesh tongue and the Kyrie Irving logo on a white tongue tag in royal blue. On the inside of the shoe, you've got the triangle with the third eye logo on it, which is kind of like a staple for this shoe. The insole is royal blue and it features Kyrie Irving's signature on it. For the lateral, you've got the white knit upper with this kind of like swirl circular design, and you've got the royal blue Nike swoosh. For the heel, you've got a leather heel along with a neoprene back tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the swirl design on the white upper, and you've got the deep royal blue Nike swoosh. The midsole is this speckled midsole, which has a combination of white, blue, and orange on it. And you've got a gum and orange outsole with the Kyrie Irving logo on the heel. Overall, this is a solid design. It's very simplistic, but at the same time, it has certain little elements that make the shoe kind of pop. However, with any white shoe, it's gonna be very tough to keep this thing clean. But you know, if you bust it out every so often, it's gonna be a decent colorway. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Kyrie 4 Uncle Drew hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 29th for a retail price of $120. All right, everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.